I'm going to tell you something really quick because if you're looking to buy a semi-truck, this could be of interest for you. But first, share in the comments what you'd like to know about semi-trucks, inspections, service contracts, finances, and anything you want. Anything you want to know about semi-trucks, leave it in the comments and I'll respond with a video. My name is Kenny. I'm a sales representative at American Truck Centers, and after working with multiple companies, I started this account from scratch to help you with business strategies on how to grow your business.